New numbers have been released on just how many drivers in the Queen City have been caught passing a stopped school bus, and the results are staggering. The city's camera enforcement program has been tracking these violations for the past 5 months. Our Trina Catterson breaks it down for us.
Over 30,000. That's the number of violations that have been recorded of drivers illegally passing school buses in the city of Buffalo. To put that number into perspective, that's enough to fill the KeyBank Center 1.5 times. Officials are sounding the alarm, saying safety needs to be the top priority.
Every driver has a responsibility to stop for a school bus. It's a law that, once again, it's in place, and here in the city of Buffalo, we're enforcing it.
The city of Buffalo started issuing tickets for passing a stopped school bus in October of last year. The safety program, which uses AI technology, is in partnership with Bus Patrol, the company providing the cameras on each school bus.
They are always able to answer anything that the city has to ask.
Over the last 5 months, the program has caught an alarming number of drivers breaking the law. 31,000 potential violations have been recorded, with about 23,000 tickets being sent out. But how many have actually been paid?
The number of citations paid have been 11,208 to date.
That means less than 50% of people have paid up. With first offense fines starting at $250, that's nearly $3 million the city and Bus Patrol are still waiting for. The people in charge of deciding who ultimately gets ticketed are not police officers. They are civilian employees who take a course through Bus Patrol that teaches them how to detect violations.
And then they go through levels of review, so Bus Patrol, after their program captures the event, would then be reviewed by trained reviewers by the vendor, who then send those events to the city of Buffalo. Specific trained matters that they know how to do, and when we talk about the citations involved in Bus Patrol, following those same procedures.
Octavio Villegas, director of the Buffalo Traffic Violation Agency, says safety will continue to be the top priority, especially when it comes to protecting students.
Children are the future of our city and of this nation, and so just being patient.
I asked Villegas if he thinks that these cameras will stay on the buses for a while. He says time will tell. He hopes to see the trend continue downwards before he makes any long-term decisions. Reporting in North Buffalo, Trina Catterson, News 4.